Hey guys, Julia here. Welcome back to another video, and today we're taking a quick look at the newest Archer and Olive subscription box. Now, full disclosure, I am an affiliate this time around, but I'm definitely not one to hold back my actual opinions on this type of thing. I'm not getting paid for a glowing review, and this video is not sponsored, so buckle up for some real feedback. I just got the box in the mail and I'm pretty active with the design team sneak peeks on Instagram and the Facebook groups, so I sort of know what to expect, but it's always a bit different to actually touch and feel and see everything and not just like a corner of it on an Instagram story. But yeah, obvious spoiler alert warning for this one. I'll leave the pricing for this and all the details for acquiring the box down in the description. But let's go ahead and get into the Archer and Olive June subscription box. So the items come in this super lovely embossed box. This is the first time out of the 3 boxes that we've seen a different color here, but this is a very muted sage green, and I dig it personally, but I know you guys want to see what's inside of here. So we're gonna get rid of the box and start with this insert. This gives us a rundown of the theme, which despite a little typo here is Ethereal Desert. I always remember the difference because dessert is a second serving, so it gets 2 S's. But yeah, not mad at it at all. It makes this all feel a little more human, and I've definitely had some typo disasters in the print world, so yeah. And on the back is a listing of all the products and what the suggested value is. Alright, so the first thing we'll take a look at is this set of 4 washi tape, and I'll just lay down some quick swatches so you guys can see what the patterns look like. So we have this sort of dark desert scene. I love this one. The striped washi with gold foil. I do love a good stripe for washi, but this color story is a little more saturated than I think I would typically go for, but it's still pretty stunning. The next one is a pattern with some floral doodles, a dragonfly, a snake, some artwork from one of their journals, I think, and a starburst. And then my favorite out of the 4 is this like cacti and floral foil washi. This one is definitely the most neutral out of the bunch, so I can see myself making use out of this one in particular. The suggested value for this set is $11 USD, and I think that's pretty on the nose. Next up is this enamel pin, suggested value $12. Okay, as a design nerd, I'm gonna have to mention that this packaging is just really cute. The pin itself is a cactus plant with a little peak of Bonnie's like floral designs along the bottom. It feels really sturdy, really high quality, super cute, and unexpected really. I'll probably end up putting this on like a travel backpack or a jacket or something. This next one is a new Archer and Olive item, definitely more of a functional thing, these binder clips. There's a box of 3 and I typically use them to hold my bullet journal pages open for photos or when I get close to the end of a bulky journal and need to pin down the pages. These are super cute though, again staying within the ethereal desert theme. They feel sturdy. My only beef with these is the suggested value price. $12 seems like kind of a stretch for 3 binder clips. I know they're printed, I know they're beefy, but I definitely got 40 of these super cute gold ones for like $15. So I mean, I'm just saying. Next up is this acrylic ruler stencil. Again, this is a new product for Archer and Olive, and we just have some stencils for pretty basic lines, rectangles, half circles, a little sun and moon. And yeah, this is definitely a more functional item as well, and I'm always on board for the functional. What I like most about this is that it's set up perfectly with that standard 5mm dot grid space, so it's really great for charts and tables, and these 2 rectangle boxes are great for headers. This is valued at $15. Moving along, the next item in here are a set of 5 Acrylograph paint pens. I'm always excited for new colors of these, and of course, these go with the theme of everything we've seen so far as the color story goes. And I really dig these darker, more muted shades for these. I do wish we got the 3mm tip as well, just because I know sometimes it's frustrating to try to cover larger shapes or areas with that smaller tip. But yeah, these are valued at $22, and I'm a fan of the Acrylographs. So backing up a bit, these weren't included on the insert, but these are gorgeous sticky note tabs. Love the colors here. Now, I did see sneaks of these, and I was hoping that they were thicker tabs, sort of like the Avery ones I use on my bullet journal to mark different months. But these are more like sticky notes as far as thickness, which is fine as well, but just something to note there. I was expecting something a little different. All right, let's get into some notebook stuff. So before I open this, can we just drool over how great these boxes are? I'm a sucker for anything moon and stars, so this just adds, yeah, with the gold detail, gorgeous. So inside of here, we have this deep purple notebook with a gold mountain scene on the front with the moon and the stars. I love it. And this notebook is something new for Archer and Olive as well. It's an A5 size, which is really nothing new, but the inside is completely blank and craft paper. So that's definitely fun. I don't know exactly what I'm going to use this for, but I've been seeing some fun ideas online of people using it as a memory book or just like a straight up notebook or sketchbook. But yeah, it's a lovely one and I'm pretty excited about it. Next up, we're going to take a look at what's in here. We have an A5 notepad. You guys know I love my notepads to add extra flip ups on weekly spreads and to fix my mess ups, but for this one, we have a dark emerald green, which actually feels a little random to me, but I'm down with it. This dark midnight blue color, and then this craft paper in the back. I do love this, don't get me wrong, but I think it would have been cool to see another new color in this notepad instead of the craft. Maybe a lighter tan or the sienna color we see on the pen packaging and washi. I love it, again, I love it, but the craft in the back sort of feels like a cop-out to me. But again, yep, love it. This is valued at $35, which is on par with what they usually go with on their website. The last thing in here, and really the first thing you see when you open the box, is this embroidered notebook cover. It is stunning in person. I'm sure it is on camera too, but it's vegan leather and these super cute florals are stitched on the front. We have a little snap button closure here, and inside we have this gorgeous clay color interior. Man, this would have been another fun option for the notepad paper color. But inside of here, you have a pocket to place your journal in, and a pen loop was a nice addition so you don't lose that functionality of that when having a cover on. Absolutely love this. So, I mean, overall, super solid box with some fun new items from Archer and Olive. I think it would have been cool to have a B5 option for the subscription box, and maybe it is a few dollars more, but like I know there's a lot of B5 users out there, and I just moved back over to a B5 notebook myself, so it would have been, you know, pretty dope to have the cover and the Kraft Sketchbook in that size. But that's gonna do it for the subscription box this time around. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite item in the box was, and if you got the subscription box this time around, what are you planning to do with that Kraft Sketchbook? I need some ideas. Let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more stationery and bullet journal videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And if you like this video, here are a couple more I think you would enjoy.